Want to extract high quality icons from any Mac app in seconds? In this guide, I will show you a simple trick to get high resolution icons from any Mac application without any design skills or software. Whether you are a developer, designer, or just a Mac enthusiast, this tip will come in handy. Launch Finder on your Mac and open the Applications folder. If you cannot locate it, click the Go menu and choose the Applications option. Right-click on the Mac app that you want to extract the icon from and copy it. Alternatively, hit the Command-C keyboard shortcut to copy. Now, hit the Command-Space keyboard shortcut to open Spotlight and search for Preview. Hit Enter to launch it. Go to the File menu and click the New from Clipboard option. It will open a preview window with the app icon in multiple sizes. Now, hit the Command-S keyboard shortcut to open the Save dialog. Select the location and click the Save button to save it. And that's it. You have saved the app icon in high quality PNG format on your Mac. You can use the same steps to extract high quality app icon from any app on your Mac. If you like this guide, click here to learn about the top 10 macOS Sequoia settings you should change to enhance your Mac experience. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.